Welcome! In this video, we're using data management for Fabric planning to build upon and secure the asset management app we previously created. We'll add access control mechanisms and approval workflows to give you complete control over who updates your data and how. As you can see, unrestricted access hurts data quality. We'll use access controls to define exactly who can edit our rows and columns. Let's start by heading to the Setup menu. We'll use the Manage Access dialog to set up access controls on this sheet. Here, we can set up separate controls to manage access to both rows and columns. We'll start with the columns first. While we can set edit permissions for each column individually, for our app, we'll simply disable editing on a few of them. With these controls in place, the restricted columns are now locked, while the permitted ones remain fully editable. Now, let's set up access controls on the rows. We can set up controls to define who can insert new rows and update or delete existing rows. The rules can also be set up using specific rules about the data. We'll first set up the update access using a specific rule. Subsequently, we'll set up access to delete rows in the data. Note that we also have the option of only allowing soft deletes. Once we've set up the row access, we'll see that we only have access to modify the rows where the data meets the conditions that we've set up. We can govern our app better by adding an approval workflow to review any changes before they're written to the database. Once we enable approvals, we have the option of setting up specific approvers depending on conditions that are met by the data, or even multiple levels of approvals. We can choose the number of levels and choose who the approvers are going to be for each level. We'll go ahead and set up a simple approval process with a single approver. We can always come back in and change this at any time. Once we've set up the approval process, every change that's made to the data will need to be approved by the assigned approvers before the change gets written back to the underlying database. While submitting a change for approval, it's possible for us to accompany the request with a message, a priority request, and a due date. The approvers will be notified each time a request is submitted, both within the same app, as well as through email and Microsoft Teams. They can log back into the app to get a detailed view of all the requests and choose to approve, reject, or request additional changes to be made. And there you have it. In a few simple steps, we've secured our asset management app with access controls and an approval mechanism.